finalists, it's time. I will now announce the second runner-up. The second for Miss Universe is Venezuela. Congratulations, Venezuela. Only 2 women remain, South Africa and Philippines. Please come center stage. Both of you have worked so hard to get here, but only one of you is about to become our new Miss Universe. If for any reason the winner is unable to fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take her place. Good luck to you both. The new Miss Universe is Philippines. Take your first walk as Miss Universe.
Show man a sign if you're down for the game.